How you doing, guys? Chris here. So over the weekend, someone used a drone as a form of protest at a professional soccer game in Spain. The drone pictured here being hauled off by the referee was also carrying a flag, and apparently this was in protest to the Basque hosting an array of Euro 2020 professional matches. So a couple of questions immediately come to mind, like who are the Basque and why is this such a politically charged topic that someone would want to fly a drone to interrupt the event? Here on the map you can see that the Basque Country region is located here between Spain and France. This particular area that includes both Spain and France is actually deeply rooted in the Welsh Celtic culture, and the landscape is absolutely stunning to look at. The exact purpose for the protest is still unknown, but the Basque are a very distinct and proud people that prefer to keep themselves separate. As for the drone, it is believed that it was the most exciting part of this 1-1 draw that the game ended in. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.